G'day everyone, it's Chriso. I've done this bathroom floor. It's been a bit of a pain because usually with my strip drain I'm able to cut them down, but the one that I was given by the owners that they'd got from a tile shop, it can't be cut down, so I had to go with it. I would have made it a little bit shorter and made my rise a little bit wider. When it's as skinny as that, it makes it a little bit difficult, but it's going to work well. I wish it was a 4-inch wide, not a 3-inch wide. But anyway, it's a nice drain though. But yeah, so today's Friday. I'll do the walls Monday. We'll see you. Have a good weekend.